working with. Yabo, I'm doing mixing and mastering. Yabo. So at least as a services in Southern. Yabo. But ke ngoku ndaspota igap yabo
Yeah.
apha elokishini ukuthi kahle 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 i-internet cafe iyadingeka apha elokishini
Yeah.
yabo because abantu abanazo indawo zoprinta, they can access internet because I was struggling even myself from into ye-internet, but I managed uba ndikwazi ukufumana yabo ikroba lokuthi okay, to get some of these services wenza njani yabo, and also to have a supply yezinto xa usenza le service for abantu wenza njani yabo. Then I started getting internet cafe yabo, which part I'm doing printing services.
Yeah.
I ventured to into ISP, internet service provision, yabo, which phana ndithengisa i-data yabo pha enantsikeni e-ofisini, like for walk-ins you can come and buy voucher uconnect yabo, also na for ezindlini locals yabo, whereby I install internet pha, like fixed unlimited internet yabo. Also ke nento yenantsika sorry, business consultation yabo, for i-business yakho you can come and yabo book a consultation. See if vele business yakho you need to strategize kwinto ethile yabo, not into a level whereby you can spot ezinye izinto ezenzekayo, then you can come in and assist